I really love the ambience.
This amazing rooftop with amazing food.
ફૂડ અહીંયાનું સુપર ડુપર અને એનાથી પર ઉપર હતું.
Amazing food.
Love the vibes.
Such a good place to come with your friends and family.
Hospitality, the ambience, the food was amazing. We had a wonderful time together.
અમે જે મહેનત કરી છે આજે સફળ થઈ એવું લાગ્યું.